Welcome to the Montauk vlog.
Yeah, giddy up.
Cheers to the girls' weekend. Thank you. Hey everybody.
Yo.
Good morning. This is your journey, but here's Rose.
And they gave us all rose.
All rose.
And they gave us 5 spots to go. It was like, this one's high maintenance, this one's chill. I'm down for it.
We have made it to Montauk, and this is my friend. You assumed correct.
Yes. Okay.
On the count of 3, say welcome to the Montauk vlog. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Guys, look at this room. It's so freaking cute. Very zen vibes, which makes sense, you know, for the ginseng line. Ginseng. Am I saying that correctly?
Ginseng?
Ginseng.
Wait, how are you saying?
Ginseng. Is it not?
Ginseng.
It's ginseng.
But you know what?
Ginseng.
Ginseng. You're doing great, Chelsea.
Ginseng.
This is so cute.
Maybe if I say it faster. Ginseng.
Yeah, I think faster.
Oh, not the hat. Can we take this with us?
What?
The hat.
It's probably their hat.
That's sad.
You don't have
I hated you once. I envy you now. Just tell me how. Tell me how. I'm not. I'm obsessed.
Wait, this is so cute. What the heck?
Very
Wait, this is
unnatural.
so cute.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So we have about 30 minutes before this happy hour starts. They must know we're running a little behind because we just got here, but we must get ready, I guess. So here we go. Oh, yay. I don't want it back. I can't let go. Hey, I sat on them.
They're fine.
Oh my god. Yo, not the free people glasses.
So good.
Let's put them in safety. Yo, I've officially reached the point of my tiredness that the zoomies have kicked in and we are now performing. This is Hangman by Beyonce. I don't know how it starts actually. I only know the part that's on TikTok. Hangman, answer me now. Tell me
It's so good.
Pointing my toes. You stolen from me.
Yes.
What was I looking at you to like start the song? You didn't either.
Because honestly, I don't remember the start.
Yeah, don't go anywhere without my speaker. Non-spawn, but this shit slaps.
What is it?
The Urban Ears, Ultimate Ears.
Oh.
I lied. Never fails. The battery life, Chef's Kiss, Superior.
It's also
It's
pretty.
my favorite sound. It's also very pretty. And your favorite color. I know what
Have
to
I
get
told
you for your birthday. No, I'm kidding. You have one, right? Yeah,
I have a portable. Have I ever told you that my favorite color is becoming brown or green?
You did tell me it was becoming green. I don't believe it.
It's
Her favorite color has been purple since I've known her, aka when we were 14 and 15 years old. And her favorite day has been Thursday for as long as I've known her.
Still
is your
that.
favorite day changing?
my favorite
Okay.
day is still Thursday.
Okay.
It's still Thursday, but I don't know what to do. Am I becoming?
Are you having like a crisis?
It's
Like an identity
unclear.
crisis?
It's unclear.
What prompted this?
First of all, green looks so good on me,
It's
but
beautiful.
brown also looks so good on me.
Brown, I would say, out of all 3 colors, brown, I would say, looks the most like beautiful on you. Like right now, this like nudie brown scheme is like obviously working for you.
Do you know what I mean?
But then I would say green is probably a close second. Purple, I think, is just like a visual like.
I think it's a like. Like, I
Mhm.
don't, it's the color of my room, but like, because it makes me calm. But like, I also used to love red, like, before, and I was like, I
Oh, yeah.
never wear anything red.
Your
I
prom
don't
dress
like.
is red.
My prom dress was red, but like, that's the one red thing I wore that I
One
was
red
like,
one.
I like this.
Mm-hmm.
But I'll never, like, it won't be my wedding color or anything.
No, for sure. If you do a traditional
Ghanaian.
I was like,
You are
Liberian?
Liberian
Um,
slash Ghanaian wedding.
Ghanaian wedding, what color would you do your dress?
I have no clue. What are you looking at? What?
Look at these fucking spider webs fit.
What
did you just say?
Said Charlotte's not gonna have anywhere to go.
Girl, she's been evicted. No, Yeah, I'm not trying to get more spider bites. I have enough.
No,
I have
spider
like
bites
3.
are the worst. I kid you not.
They're so itchy.
Oh, ew. I have okay. So that's another thing. Like traditional attire is like quite splashy. Like it could go any direction, and I have not thought that far.
Are there like colors that are typical? Like, you know how Indian weddings is like red?
Oh yes,
Is it
no,
typical color?
no,
Just whatever you
nothing
want.
specific. Yeah, it's like whatever.
Choose
Which
your
makes it worse because if you just told me that I could focus on pattern instead. What do I do, Chels?
About what?
Like,
About your wedding?
no, about my outfit and getting ready because they really about to get what they get. And that's
It is so chill that I don't think it will be a problem. Is it true that this was supposed to be what the hell? That was a good catch.
you know.
Okay, we're almost ready.
Solo tenemos 2 lucas. ¿En serio? ¿En serio no gratis o no?
Not really.
Do you like macaroni?
Because I don't even know.
I don't.
Is it 360 as well? Like, does it follow you? Or is it just
Yeah,
like on a
It
gimbal?
can, yeah. You can put like the settings to follow you.
Nice. Hey man, what's up? Give me a Hendrix Martini. Hendrix Martini.
Oh, not done. We're good. I could be like, oh shit, the gins and trip, literally
7 arms. A 7
Katie planning in the. Gotta bring Montauk into it, or the Hampton
rhyme
into
with
it.
Montauk?
or something. The
Let's say
Hampton.
the end. I feel like that's it.
It was a little weak.
She's like, let me put my thinking glasses on. I don't know.
They're on this question.
You activate. No, please. You're like, actually, I might. Let me get in the studio.
This requires extra strength. Okay, a little drink. This feels very early 2000s coded. Oh shit, the gins and trip Origins got us in the Katie and Origins something. We gotta bring it home.
Damn, nothing's nothing.
Katie got us looking snatched here. No. I almost had.
We're in Montauk. Katie did her thing.
Oh. Wait, we go. We shot go. We landed.
We're on the way.
Wait. Teddy. Oh, Jen, it's time to sing. Katie did her big one in the out. What was it? Katie did her big one in the. Yeah, we're
literally
several times. Don't
we are building a song around you. No,
We're making you a song.
Did you watch Survivor?
But is it to the beat of Eat That Kitty in the Hideaway? Is that what's messing us up?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
No. It's
just a
that comes
brand.
after. Eat that, Katie. Oh, Jen, it's time to sing. Katie did her work. Katie did her big one with the brand trip. Put that, Denny. Put that, Denny.
Oh, I thought you guys were going like instead of Kitty, you say Katie.
We are.
Okay.
But we
At
can't
the end, at the end. We haven't even gotten there yet.
Go, Katie.
Go get it. 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 That's a steak, I think. Sid.
We're like, where is it?
We're 32. The year is 2025. We are 32.
And we look like we've never
Better than
aged a
when
day in life.
We're 18. Do you see this material?
Will we ever look like this again?
I think this is this our peak? Is this
this
our
our
peak?
What do we do now? Fuck! Freeze it! Peaking now is crazy.
No, actually insane.
Oh god.
What do we do now? I'm concerned. Oh, picture.
How do you like it? How do you like it? Moo, moo, moo. Guys, we went to a key event last night and basically robbed them blind. We got so many pairs of sunglasses. Wait, I need better light to show you guys. Here's the first pair. Very interesting. Very not like me, but I like them for biking a lot. Second pair, very Parent Trap, very chic. And the third pair, again for biking. These little mirrored ones. Aren't they so cute? Love. Okay, we have 40 minutes to pack, get dressed, and get breakfast, and then head to the pool. Let's do it. Day 2 with Origins. Cheers to the... Cheers to the girls' weekend.
Gotta watch those birds. Gotta watch them.
Bye, room. You were so cute. We loved you.